Hey guys, hope you're having fun with this sub. I just want to go over this group food web quick with you guys just so you have a little bit better idea of how to do it. So everyone is getting a copy of the group food web Google Drawing document in the Google Classroom. So if you open this up, somebody is going to have to share theirs with all of your group members. So you're all going to be working on one document. So it's going to be a shared document. You're all going to be working on the same one. When you get here, just go ahead and make sure that you put your guys' names somewhere. So you can click here on the little text box, draw a little text box, and then just um, just put your name in there, something like that. Um, and then that way I know who you are. So not only are you going to put your names on there, but I also want you to put what your ecosystem is as well. So you're going to start off by researching an ecosystem, and then you're going to actually fill in the food web based on what your ecosystem is. So the first thing that we can do is we can go ahead and insert a picture. So if I'm doing like a woodland ecosystem, I can search for a deer, find a picture, right click on it, copy image, bring it back to my group food web, paste it, and it comes right in. Okay, so now I have an organism within my food web. Now I can find something that would eat a deer. So let's say we'll do a skunk. Okay, now this is a big skunk, not like a skunk that we're used to. So I can copy that one, bring it over, paste this one in. Okay, so now I have a skunk. So I have two organisms. I have a deer, and I have this crazy huge skunk that's going to eat the deer. But I need to show a connection between the two. So I'm going to come up here to this little line, do selected line, and I'm going to do an arrow. So now I can start at the deer and then come up to the skunk. So remember, the arrows always show the flow of energy and matter. So energy and matter are flowing from the deer to the skunk. So the arrow is pointing at the skunk. Now there should be a way that I can make that line bigger. Oh, yep, so if I click on it and then come up here to line weight, I can change it to like 4 or something like that. You can change the color if you want to. Um, now if I need to make a curved line, I can come back up here to the selected line, and then I can actually do a scribble. It's kind of just like a freehand line. Okay, and then I can actually add an arrow to it as well. So that's just another way that you can do it, and you can play around with these other lines as well. So there's one that is a curve. I just don't know exactly how to do it. So anyways, you guys can play around with that. Um, so it will be a little bit goofy just because you guys will be sharing the document. Okay. Um, so just make sure that you're being, respectful and you're not messing up another group member's work that they're doing. Might have to be a little bit patient with your group members as well. But this was a really fun thing last year. We did it in Google Docs, but I think it's going to work a lot better to do it in Google Drawings this year. So I think you need 3 primary producers, 3 producers, 3 primary consumers, 3 secondary consumers, and then 2 decomposers in your guys' food webs. So it might get a little bit busy, so you guys might need to, kind of mess around with moving around your images and stuff to make sure it all fit, or make sure they all fit. But I'm looking forward to seeing what you're doing or what you do. You'll be working on this both today and tomorrow. so they will be due at the end of Thursday. Um, if all the groups have a lot more work on it, we might work on it on Monday as well. I'll just see how far we are when I get back on Monday. So hope everything is going well, guys, and keep up the hard work.